The next topic we are going to see is about work done by the torque. Let us consider a rigid body which is rotating about a fixed axis. P be the point which is rotating about the axis perpendicular to the plane of the page. A tangential force F is applied on a body. So we are considering the body. Okay, about this P be the point which has the axis and F is a force. It produces small displacement. So idhula konja displacement irukku. That displacement is denoted by ds and the work done is given by. So what is the formula for work done? Work done is equal to force into displacement, is it not? So dw is equal to F into ds. Before that, let us consider this to be the object, and this is radius r. This has a displacement which is ds, and this is to be the angle d theta. Here is a force. Formula is dw is equal to F into ds, and from this diagram this can be written as this ds, or this angle is equal to, okay, this divided by this. Okay, so apo d theta which is equal to ds divided by r nu எழுதலாமா, because sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse அப்படின்ற term படி this is the angle, any angle that is equal to this opposite side which is ds divided by r. இதுல இருந்து நமக்கு ds வேணும் அப்படினா this can be written as r. If you are bringing other side it becomes as r into d theta. So this is the equation which you are taking now. So what is the first equation we are taking is dw is equal to F dot ds, because work done is equal to force into displacement. இப்போ இந்த ds எடுத்து என்ன பண்றோம்னா we are going to substitute in this place. Okay, first equation dw is equal to F ds, ds is equal to r into d theta. Substitute this value of ds in this, so we get F r into d theta. What is this? F r is that F into r is said to be the torque, and so this F r is written as tau into d theta. So when you see this equation with the first equation which we consider, what is the first equation which we consider is dw is equal to tau into ds. Clear? Tau is nothing but what? Tau is equal to நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம், force அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம், because this is in rotation, this is in the linear motion. So அப்ப இது என்னது rotationல tau, linear motionல இது என்னது force. Okay, so அப்போ இது என்னது displacement. Since it is linear displacement அதனால ds, if you are considering the angular, that is equal to d theta. So அப்போ tau க்கு பதிலா நம்மளுக்கு இங்க first f into ds இல்லையா, first equation is f into ds. So f க்கு பதிலா இங்க tauவும் ds க்கு பதிலா இங்க d thetaவும் இருக்கு. So the work done is more or less the same. Okay, it is the same as the first equation அப்படின்றதுனால work done is always same அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? So this is corresponding to the expression dw is equal to F into ds. Clear with this?